Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jill with At Home with Jill, and today I have another bonus video for you guys. So in today's video, I am going to be testing out a new cordless vacuum cleaner. I am super excited about this product. And you guys, I have tested out vacuums like this before, and so I was skeptical of how this was going to work, but I actually love this vacuum. And dare I say, it worked better than my Shark. I'm not even joking. And you'll see in the video, but I didn't realize that this extended until like after I vacuumed my whole room, but I already felt like, wow, I don't even have to bend over when I use this, which I feel like with my Shark, I am always kind of bending over. And I didn't even have it extended. So I know if I had it extended, I would definitely not be bending over. This vacuum is by a company called Belife, which comes from beautiful life, simple life. So yeah, I am gonna test out this Belife cordless vacuum for you guys. And yeah, I'm gonna unbox it and I'm gonna test it out, and I'm letting you know right now, I loved this vacuum. So alrighty guys, so first of all, I want to thank Belife for sending me this vacuum to test out. I absolutely love it. First of all, it is cute to look at, which that's, you know, that's always important to me. I want something to look cute in my house, right? Okay, so here I am unboxing it, and it has a manual, of course. This is like the main shaft part. It has a crevice tool with a brush extension that slides up, a longer crevice tool, the charger for the battery. It has a wall mount, so you can hang it on your wall, which I really like that. My Shark doesn't hang on the wall. And then this is the whatever that bottom part is called. And it comes with this tool for slicing the hair off of the bottom roller thing. So I really like that. It has like a little brush and like a razor to cut that hair, to keep that clean. And then this is the battery. And now I am just putting the vacuum together, and I'm just going to talk to you guys a little bit about this vacuum. So it has a 180-degree flexible brush head with LED lights, so you can see when you're vacuuming in like a dark space underneath furniture or behind things. It has 3 adjustable power modes. It has up to 50 minutes of runtime, which is pretty awesome. It has a 7-cell large capacity battery, 6 stages fully sealed filtration system. It has a root cyclone technology, more powerful and lasting suction. It has a 25,000 PA 3.8 PSI strong suction power, suitable for hard floor and carpet, inline configuration for 30% more suction. So you know when it's charged when the light is no longer blinking. Alright, so I'm going to be testing out the vacuum now. My floor is pretty dirty. There is dust. I mean, there's just stuff kind of everywhere, but there's dust collecting around all the edges. Just kind of stuff everywhere, like little pieces of paper everywhere. There's so much dust over here because I don't get behind here very often, and I like never vacuum back there. So I'm sure there's a bunch of dust back here too. Oh, and then I was kind of cleaning up. I was cleaning up the edge of the door from where I painted. And so now there's like a bunch of little paint shavings laying all over the floor too. So I'm gonna be vacuuming all that up as well. All right. In the rug, I'm just showing you up close in the rug. There's like pieces of packaging. There's something here, part of a pistachio shell, because my dog like runs in here and starts chewing things on the rug. So anyway, and I'm sure this side is messy too. So I am gonna try it, but this vacuum is only for hard floor and low pile rug. But I think this rug is matted enough to where it will be fine, but we'll see. Okay, so now that the battery is fully charged, I'm just going to pop it in like that. You just slide it right in. All right, and we're gonna listen to how quiet this vacuum is. Okay, so the way I got it to work, sorry, I'm like way down here. The way I got it to work was just by pulling the trigger. And then once you pull the trigger, you can change the settings. So this is higher, highest, lowest. And it's pretty quiet. Okay? So I'm gonna get started. You guys, I seriously could not get over how smooth this felt. Vacuuming with it just felt so smooth. Like, I can't even explain it. It's the most smooth I've ever felt with a vacuum.
My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others.
And you guys, to my surprise, it actually did really well on my rug. And this is a pretty shaggy rug, and it did really well. I did have to give it a little more elbow grease when I was on the carpet, but yeah. Also, I didn't realize at the time that I was vacuuming the whole room that the shaft part extends to be longer. So I could have been bending less, which I wasn't even really bending over that much, but I could have been even less. I could have been standing straight up because it extends to be longer, but I didn't know.
I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors.
So the brush part of the crevice tool is really good for uneven surfaces. So like the baseboards that have the ripples, or windowsills like in the cracks, or like on a ledge, things like that. So I was using it on my baseboards first of all, and then I decided to go over like all my decor, like these, like the blue things up there with all those little holes. The brush is perfect for that because it kind of grabs in those little spaces and then it brings it into the like sucker part. So yeah, and then it's also really good for the tops of windows, the tops of doors.
I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
Oh, that was so satisfying to watch those giant dust bunnies get sucked right up. I really need to do this more often, you guys. I don't go behind furniture as often as I should, but having convenient tools definitely makes it easier to do the things that we don't necessarily enjoy doing, like fun new vacuums help. Look at those. Oh my gosh, did you see that? Look at that dust. Sorry, I was trying to like hold the camera with one hand. Oh, so satisfying. Okay, so now that I am done, oh, look at all that. Look at that. I am going to show you how to clean the vacuum. So obviously you would start by emptying it out. Oof, look at that. Look at that little nest of dust. All of that was in my room. Alright, so I am just popping this off here. It has instructions. There's a sticker on the canister that has instructions for this. So you want to rinse it out. Make sure the seal is nice and clean. This is going to help it to always have a good suction. And after you ooh, look at that. Got another little dust ball, hairball thing there. Anyway, yeah, you always want to make sure you're cleaning out your vacuum pretty often. And then this is the HEPA filter. So you just unscrew it like that, rinse it all out. And when you are done rinsing, you just want to let these dry in the sun for about 24 hours or so. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and like I said before, the link for this vacuum is down in the description. Thank you so much, Belife, for sending me this vacuum. I really appreciate it and I love it. So you guys will be seeing this vacuum in my future cleaning videos for sure. Alright guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye!